What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've done one, but this one's going to be nice and short. I will be showing you in this video how to replace a battery in an XT5 Cadillac key fob. So let's get into it. Alright, replacing the battery in an XT5 Cadillac key fob. So going to take out the little key that's in there, and you're going to need to remove this back cover, and you're going to need to do it very carefully. So what you'll do is you'll just barely pry up, just slowly, and this just pry it up just a little bit. So I'm just going to slowly keep prying it up and pull it out. Okay, once you pull it out, then you're going to need to access the battery. So you'll have to pry this forward. Okay. Then your battery is right here. So then what you'll do is you'll set that aside and you'll pry the battery out carefully. Let's see. There we go. Pry the old battery out. And then we'll go ahead and replace. Then we will go ahead and replace it with the new battery. And make sure the new battery, we want the shiny side with the letters on it. We want that facing down. And we'll go ahead and snap that in there. So it should be blank on this side. Then we'll go ahead and we will install this back in. Thing just sits right on there. You're going to want to make sure that it lines up, but it just sits on there, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't snap back in or anything, because once you put it back on into this, then it'll snap in. Then put that back cover back on, snap it into place. Put the key back in, and you're ready to go. Should work now, and you have a working key fob again. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video of me changing the battery in this key fob. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Also, I've got tons more videos coming soon, so stay tuned for those, and we'll see you later.